Hello everybody! Today we're going to write the name of my first ever Patreon patron pledge as a way of saying thank you. So thank you, Some Dude, for making a pledge and supporting my YouTube channel. So Some Dude's name is spelled SUMDOOD. So a big thank you to Some Dude for making a pledge and supporting my YouTube channel. So once again, big thank you. Really appreciate all the comments, likes, and suggestions over the years on my little YouTube channel, and now you've gone one step further by making a Patreon patron pledge. So thank you ever so much, Some Dude. Thanks for watching, and happy watching!